Hi, good evening guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the raid maybe next soon coming in global. I call them Christmas raid. It's supposed to be come out after trial of reckoning for Reborn rerun, but I don't know which one will come out first. So have a look together. Let's go. So this is the pudding rate. The hit point is 130,000 health with weakness fish, overall and art unit. And you can only blind him. And then this is the bonus stage, weak against slash projectile I believe, and water element and fire, and can be time still. So this is the one from WOTV calculation. So the life is 13k max, 130k maximum, and weeks against earth and weeks against fish, can be blind. The element is lightning and aquatic. And for the Tomberry, gold Tomberry I believe. Gold to say point I believe. Is a weak against fire and light and water. Life on it 60,000. And weeks against slash. You can use the slash fire party. So basically holy pudding is weakness with the below attack art, as we can see here, and put timing like a Christmas Venera or Etona. This is from Altema actually. And so holy pudding is lightning element and is vulnerable to blow attacks. Therefore, a type character that could hitting such Venera, Christmas, and Etona are appropriate. I don't think Etona will be good in here because it's MR. The such is below. Also holy pudding is no positive attribute resistant and is not very resistant to pierce and any shooting or other non-attack water attribute can be played as attack growth. Yeah, because the shooting and the spears is 10%. So maybe you can use spear. Maybe. And Cold Cactus is fire attribute and is vulnerable to slash or piercing attacks. Therefore, characters such as Tidus, Glacia, and Dismos Ramada could slash and piercing in this attribute. In addition, Cold Cactus is low resistant against fires. So fire attackers such as Christmas Mastery, Rain, and I think in the Mounted is also effective. You can use Delita if you have them. So basically holy pudding has very high life. It's recommended to connect with chains for blast damage. City Tone is effective for holy pudding, so you can easily connect chain using steal time. So you can steal time the holy pudding. And City Tone like Tidus Yuna has a low effect so size, so it's not powerful enough to limit action the boss alone. So steal time like Victoria may be possible here. So basically the character start point is Aventus to the boss with the soil attribute and blow attack, strong, resistant, and LP. Defense can be done by making EX job for Venera Xmas. So the second one is Sisa. Sisa is good when you EX actually. We can steal time. And Auron is good because for the double attack, and also is nice actually. And Laswell can be support with Auron because can reduce ice resistant, and Gilgamesh also can be used reduce the testing. So basically with the ice team also possible to destroy it. And for Kolkatus you can use just water and fire with the slash. And then you can read here by post. So and then the Salmon Beast you can use Titan for reducing damage. You can use the depending on your team actually. If you use Earth, Titan is really good because you can reduce damage by using Spirit, and also you can use his skill. And for Glacial also good for increasing the ice if you use all as attribute, and have the aquatic killer, and Wind also can use for aquatic killer as well, and Aphid. For Kolkatus you can use the Leviathan for more damage to his attribute, and for Siren you can maximum also for fire attribute killer, and then for Main Freya you can use the human killer. And then the vision card. So basically if you look at the vision card, you need the speed for speed up, agility, and you need more AP for crit, and you need Main Freya and 200 seconds for increasing the maximum damage. So by doing chain you will do more damage. And this is sample from the team Holy Pudding. So using the ice team, you can time steal with Victora, and then Gilgamesh for reducing slash, Laswell for DPS and reducing the ice resistance, and Auron for the chain attack. So this is from Altema. This is basically is manual play, and then this also manual play I believe, using all the water, chain water. This is in Japan, but I believe tomorrow will be different. Probably we'll have Titus and Yuna bonus, but as not much as others. Just have a look before that what unit they will have. And this is the item drop. So the good one is the Santa Cloak, and Garumi Akrea is the one right now in Diabolos, give you 30 magic. And the Platinum drop is good against Bowman. So this is the Santa Claus. It's very good. For my opinion, get the evasion for +5, because you can get 29 evasion, and then you can also get 10 more evasion from bonus. I believe if you're looking for non-plus, just normal, just get the shield with 10 armor and 11 spirit. Is about balancing the defense and the spirit, but it's depending how do you. For myself, I will take the effect +5 for sure, and maybe I will do another +5 in the future, or maybe I will do one shield non-plus depending on the luck as well. Will I get the? But for vital, for me no, definitely no. But if you want vital, yeah, you can go for it, but for me, no, thank you. And so if you can see here, the second, the dodge, the number 2, it said 29. It's good for shield. You can get 10 and 11 SPR. This is for balancing, but I believe from 4 to 10 is not so much. So 29 effect is big deal here, because when you get +5 you can get 10 more evasion. Just imagine when you use Vinera, or when you use I think Vinera have here. Wait, let me have a look. Red Mage, yes. Calculator, yes. Swordman, yes. The 2B and Brawler, yes. Winter. I think Vinera no. Have TV. Cannot find it, but if you guys find it, can you please put in the below the comment if she can wear it. and this is high in the evasion, very big evasion. And then some like resistance like 10%. It's very good, especially like in holy damage. So yeah, it's very nice weapon. Yeah, I like it actually. So this is for Garumi. Yeah, for Garumi basically what I said earlier is 30% magic. So if you making the SPR for this now event, the Apollo's event, then you want to go for defense, then you can get it here, the SSP. And this is Platinum Robe. This is, I believe, is good defense because the defense for acting with cloth. So you can use it for, like for example, for Rain because it's cloth armor and have low defense. If you want to buff his defense, you can use this one. And also the missile resistance 10. Also good when you put to the range attack, like for example Niflu or use Lucia or use Federica. You reduce the range attack. So basically you can defense resistance down for Holy Pudding to kill faster. So this is the first example in Japan. They use Gilgamesh and Mount AX and Orandu and Titus. Also possible to kill with all slash 1 turn left. It's quite risky, but it's still possible if you look up. This one with all 2 earth and 1 fire. Also still possible with 2 turn left, but with the Vinera level 115. This is solo run, so only Vinera by herself level 120 with all DPS gear. Can every hit I saw in the video is more than 10,000. And this one is using all wind, so with 1 MR and 1 SR, so UUR, also possible with 1 turn left. And then this one is 3 people only, all brawler, or still possible with 7 turn left. And this one is all ice damage auto, all slash, still possible 5 turn left. Maybe for myself, maybe I will go for ice team because I have all the ice team here. And this one is mix, also possible 1 turn left. And this one with holy damage, but this one is also auto. Yes, it's also possible with 1 turn left. So basically use Keyblade to reduce the magic resistance and then just hit hard with the magic for 1 turn left. And this one with all slash auto with mixing, still possible because the Winter Armada here, the ulti can reduce their slash resistance. And this one with all brawler, still possible. So you don't have to just use all the brawler. You have like Lucia become brawler, and this one I forgot her name again. Sorry, I forgot. The MR brawler free one can also do all blower, and Cecil become blower and Sisa blower. All level 99, no EX also possible. And still 3 turn left. And this one is gold auto. So this is actually shit. Wait. Sorry. So this actually is the same sorts. So auto with the all water level 99 and only EX 1 character Sazan is possible. Still 1 time turn and kill the enemy. This one is Etna I think. Brawler MR. Free one. So you can if you farm last time, you can use her. And this one is mixed with all slash and reduce the slash resistance. Also possible with 2 turn left. And this one is ice auto possible mountain left, and then this one a bit mix and with the water total left, and this one is the good one, multi amount only level 100 plus is mix all mount just using the blow attack, the skill blow attack, the first one from the beginning until the end, the all max damage is very nice. If you don't have the unit and you are new, maybe this is one of the way you can do it. And this one, the last one, I will show you what will happen maybe in the future. So next one is the Santa Claus on the Holy Pudding, and then next one probably will be in the not yet coming is the Glacial Run. This is with fire. I will do the review later on. And next one is the Chocolate Pudding Earling. This one is the like wet day things, and it's I think can't remember. But this one is with the with magic, and this one is with dark slash. So the new one, Carberus and Carberus. This one the kanji, the katakana. And then, oops, sorry. And this one, the Trial of Reckoning, the one will come out in Japan. And then the new one, the latest one is Leviathan. Leviathan, with slash and everything. Just a bit review here. So, if we with review here, next is Holy Pudding with the weak strike and earth. After that, the Ice Glacial with slash and fire, and then this one, the Karunka, something with the one. This one is with magic and dark, and then slash and dark. This one is Carpelus. So this one is weak again. Trial of Reckoning with again magic and water, and this one is slash and lightning. But some people a lot using this one for dark slashing. Alright, so before I'm finishing the video, I will upload the video later on actually in the description, and let's see if we just look one video together. What will be look like when we do auto? So this is source I made. I will put all of this watch together. Maybe I will show you once this one, the first one. This is for sample auto.
俺の邪魔をする奴は全員殺す。
お仕置きが必要ですわね。
無駄だ。
Damage from just after you use the defense session this attack but the enemy at the back and annoying. So people hit attack is from exorcist card. If you don't have it, it's fine. I think you don't have to use Winter Armada here, he can change to because the people necessarily can heal himself, and you don't need still fine. Winter Armada looks dead for that one. It's still good, so you can still okay. Another video, maybe this one, second one.
倒すのが一番の理想になります。こうやって固まってくるとね、AP がなかなか回復することしかできないのでちょっとあれですけど、実はできるレベルは打撃ですので、チェーン
cannot. Maybe you can watch this one for yourself. Let's see, have a look another video. Wait, this one. This one.
Hari ini kita mau bahas tentang advisor. Oke, aku akan melatih advisor bijak. Nah, dengan
はい、どうも、透析モントです。
Okay.
うん
So this one is
ポイント結構、
all mixed.
ビルが、で、ちょっと
You can have a look by yourself. What item they
全
have.
然、こちらで歯が
We look
術をかけ
from
てい
the
く。
beginning. So basically the magic is as well. And then
こちらで歯外人で防御ダウン。
Minera just
で、一通り
going
で
about
はこういう
reducing armor.
アトラクトスペルでキルフェが、タゲを取
It
っ
looks
て、
like Kifle will
まあ、
tank
これは
all
もう
the
ほとんど
damage
食らわなくなる
with
感じですね。
taunting plate. Or taunting spell, everything. And then
連撃。というか、
and
活性光を使わなくていいからキルフェのだと。
like Gilgamesh
すごくいいん
and
ですよね。
anything is to be attacking.
多分もうちょっとなんか見直せばもうちょっとなんかあると思
So
われ
basically
る
if
ん
we
で
look
すけど、
a bit earlier, sorry, I pasal so you guys can watch by yourself. But if we look up earlier, the Kifle will tank all the damage. So I will just put everything in the comment section and you guys will watch by yourself. So just if you like my video, just give me thumbs up so you can a lot of people will see it. And if you like my video, please subscribe, and then if you need any question, just ask me in the bottom below. So I will try to answer all the things I can help. And then just please have a look to others video that I will share. Thank you and goodbye. Good night. Bye.